Civil litigation lawyers versus alternative dispute resolution experts. Which one is better for settling claims? Most people get this wrong by assuming every dispute should go to court, but the surprising truth is that the right approach depends on the nature of the claim, costs, and the relationships involved. Choosing between civil litigation lawyers and alternative dispute resolution experts can make all the difference. Civil litigation lawyers specialize in representing clients in court. They handle claims involving contracts, property, personal injury, and financial disputes. For example, if a company breaches a service agreement and negotiations fail, a litigation lawyer can file a lawsuit, gather evidence, and advocate for compensation in court. They are essential when disputes are high stakes, adversarial, or unlikely to be resolved amicably. Alternative dispute resolution experts, on the other hand, focus on mediation, arbitration, and negotiation outside the courtroom. Either is faster, less expensive, and helps preserve business or personal relationships. For instance, if two business partners disagree over revenue sharing, an IDR expert can facilitate discussions and guide them to a mutually acceptable settlement without the stress or publicity of a court case. So, which is better? Civil litigation lawyers are ideal for complex claims where legal authority and formal judgment are necessary. IDR experts are perfect when you want speed, cost efficiency, and a cooperative solution. Many disputes can even benefit from a hybrid approach: attempt resolution through IDR first and keep litigation as a backup if talks break down. The key takeaway is that understanding the differences between litigation and IDR empowers you to choose the most strategic path. The goal isn't just to win, but to resolve disputes effectively, protect your interests, and manage resources wisely. Knowing which expert to engage can save time, reduce costs, and prevent unnecessary tension, giving you confidence that your claim is handled the right way.